Hello friends, today we will learn to include a record link in an email sent from Salesforce Flow. We'll take an example. When an opportunity is closed won, create a task for opportunity owner and send an email alert including task link. So to do that, we will create a flow for opportunity. So let's go to the flow from setup, home, type flow and create a record trigger flow for opportunity. When a record is updated and set the entry criteria when stays name is closed won. Every time a record is updated and meets the condition. Then we need to create a task. I want to assign all the field values manually. That way I will have more control on the field I want to create. Subject. If you want to format it in a style, create a variable of text template type, task subject. You can say opportunity name when this opportunity is closed won. Then due date, the date at which stage is changed. Assigned to, we want to assign this to opportunity owner. So we'll go to record, owner ID, and then what ID is the object to which you want to associate it. So I want to associate this task to opportunity. So I'm happy with these many fields. You can add more fields as per your requirement. After creating task, we want to include that task list link into email. For that, we need to store this task ID in a resource. So create a variable resource, give it a name, something like task ID, text type, available for input, output. Done. Next step is we will send an email alert. Go to action, send email. First thing is you would like to get the body. To format a body in style, select text template. Then you can, first thing is change it to plain view so that you do not see these extra HTML letters. Hi, opportunity owner. Hi, opportunity owner. You can format this content as you want it, as per your requirement. Is closed one. Something like this. Then who do you want to send it to? Here I would like it to be sent to owner. Owner email Yes. The next important thing is subject line. You can write it down here, or you can again go ahead and create a resource. So I'll go ahead and create a text template resource saying email subject, and I can say name, view as plain. So now we have created the email with that. Now what we want to do, we want to include task link in that email. So for that, I will go ahead and create a variable of formula type, task link, give it as task, and for that I have already written a formula, this one. I'll go ahead and copy this, copy it here, and my task link that I created. Sorry, my task ID that we stored. This will be done. Now I have this variable. I will go into email body and I can write here a task is created for you, and with that I will include this task link. That I will save this flow. Save. I will quickly debug this flow. For opportunity, I will skip condition for debugging. Run it. So you can see our flow is accurate. It has recipient ID, all the subject and body, so we are good to go. Let's test it. I will activate it and I'll go to an opportunity and will close this opportunity as close one. My opportunity is closed one. I should get an email, and you can see I got the email with this link. If I click on this link, I can see the task created. So you can see these extra letters in here. These are because for text subject in my flow, I did not do it as view as. So let me go back to edit my flow, go to the element task subject, and task subject, you see it is as rich, so I should do it as view plain. And now if I save it and activate it, those extra letters should be removed from there. So these extra letter will be removed. So that's how we can include a record link in our email. The formula to include the email link, you can find that in description. I hope this flow will help you. Thank you. Have a good day.